So today I'm going to show you how to add an external bank account onto your Fidelity account directly on the app. Now we're actually here in real time, so you can follow along. We're currently in the home tab of our Fidelity app. Now there's a couple different ways to get to the same screen, but one of the quickest ways is actually right here in the center where you see the word transact with the $ icon. If we click on this, it's going to bring up a little pop-up menu here for us. And one of the options we can go ahead and click on right over here where it says transfer, it kind of has that little arrow pointing to the right with a $sign. It's going to bring up this new section here for us as well. And you can actually see over here, you can link a bank or recipient. We're going to go ahead and click on either the words or the right-hand arrow. Now that's going to take us over here, and we have a couple different options on how we can have this money transfer over. We could do it with an EFT, we could do it with a bank wire or a Fidelity account if we have multiple different types. Now we're going to want to choose the top option here, which is going to be most likely how most people need to go. And we want to choose whether it's from ourselves or from somebody else, which it's going to be from ourselves. And then we're going to go ahead and click on continue here at the very bottom. Now from here, it's going to give you a little bit of information that you want to just be aware of here. And then we're going to go ahead and click on continue here at the bottom. So it's going to take us to this new page over here, kind of has all the information we just filled out kind of set up here for us. And then we're going to go ahead and scroll down here at the bottom, and you're going to see two options here for us, whether we want to enter our bank information in manually. This is going to take a little bit longer for that to go through. Or what you can do is actually have it where we currently have it toggled on now, which is using what they call Fidelity, which is a MasterCard company, which allows you to pretty much do an instant connection, very similar to Plaid if you've ever used that, where we're going to log into our bank account. Now, whichever option you want to go with is up to you. We're going to go with the first option here to log into our bank account currently with Fidelity. And we're going to click on the word continue. Now from right over here, it's going to give you just a quick update of what this is all going to entail. We can go ahead and click on next here at the bottom. And then from here, it's going to give you a couple different bank options that you can choose from instantaneously, but you can also search for your bank if you don't see it on this list right over here. Once you go ahead and click on the bank you want to connect, it's going to bring you up to this page, letting you know that it's going to take you into the login for that bank. We're going to click on the next button down here. Now from here, it is going to have you put in your banking information, such as your email and your credentials. So this is as if you are actually logging into that bank account. We're going to go ahead and plug that information in and click on log in. Now this is just doing a double check, making sure that this is what you are wanting to do. We're going to click on I agree here. Now from right over here, you can see that that has been successful. If by chance you have multiple accounts, the next step that you might see is actually choosing which accounts you want to have connected. For ours, since there's only one checking account, it just automatically connected those two together. All right, so now what we did is actually hopped back over onto our Fidelity account, which is right over here. You can see that it is going through and connecting those two. And now we can either go ahead and transfer or just cancel if we wanted to. And we are all connected with our external bank account directly on the Fidelity account. Now there is more to show you when it comes to utilizing your new Fidelity account, and we got you covered. Check out our next video on screen to keep on learning.